Hi guys, and welcome to my working from home morning routine. My routine starts right when I wake up. I try and knock out all of those emails. So as you can see, I wake up usually with around, on average, 200 emails that do need to be read through and responded to, so I like to get that done first thing in the morning. And then, of course, to get me through the rest of my day, I have to have my coffee, and a huge thank you to Folgers for sending me this new coffee to try out and sponsoring this video. So Folgers actually has a new line of 1850 coffee. This coffee is like the perfect fuel for my workout and totally gets me through the rest of my day. It's really hard to stay motivated and energized when you work from home, and I feel like this coffee just gives me that extra boost that I need. And this coffee is evenly fire roasted and steel cut, which is gonna give it that bold, smooth taste that I love. They have a ton of different flavors. I absolutely love all of them. They're unlike any other coffee that I've tried, really. And my favorite is the Black Gold Dark Roast. It's really smooth, but it has chocolatey flavor and it has a little notes of sweetness to it. So that is what I look for in my coffee usually, but the other flavors are just as amazing. And it's not only available in ground coffee, it's also available in whole bean, and they even have it in K-cups. So I will link it down below. If you guys decide to try it out, I would love to know which flavor you guys enjoy. So be sure to check the links in the description box down below. If you guys are like me and you absolutely can't live without coffee, you are going to love this new 1850 line. And as I mentioned earlier, that coffee just really gives me that nice boost for my workout and for the rest of the day. So here I'm just showing you guys that I do some form of at-home workout, or I work out at the gym. Unfortunately, I am not allowed to film in my gym, so I just inserted these clips for you guys here, but I can do a working out video later. So after that, I will then take a shower and get ready. So as you can see, my routine is I like to work as much as I can throughout the morning, and then late morning is when I start getting ready, because I try and get a lot of work done. Emails end up being a lot of time when you do YouTube, so I like to get those done in the morning. Hopefully some of them I will get a response before the end of day. It's kind of what I do. So here I'm just getting ready. I do a very simple makeup routine, not really big on having a full hardcore makeup routine. So I also wanted to get in some form of Instagram photo today, and what is really funny is I got all ready for this Instagram shoot today and I ended up not liking the photos. So you guys are gonna see me getting ready here, but you guys will probably never see the Instagram photo because I think I decided not to post it. So that happens sometimes. I usually will spend an hour taking an Instagram photo, and sometimes it never makes it to my actual Instagram feed. So here I'm just diffusing my hair. I've been trying to wear it curly as much as possible because I'm trying to grow it out. So this is the Instagram photo. I'll probably use it for the thumbnail, but it will never be posted on my Instagram. I didn't like it. I didn't like what it looked like with my feed, if that makes sense. I feel like everyone's so hard on themselves on Instagram, including myself. So after that, I will head on over to the craft store. And you guys always ask where I come up with my DIY ideas. Sometimes I will just go to the craft store, walk around. I'll probably be in there for on average about 2 hours just looking for ideas, picking up things that I need. Really honestly going through everything and finding the best quality and what's gonna work the best for each DIY. Again, with DIYs, sometimes I film them, and if they don't come out great, you guys will never see them. So some days I'll spend hours working on projects that just never actually come to the screen, and that's just kind of all a part of YouTube and DIY. I obviously have to critique it and make it amazing, so when you guys make it, it turns out amazing and it lasts and it holds up. So that is pretty much what I do in terms of my DIY concept sometimes, or sometimes I'll be inspired by other things, but that usually takes up a huge chunk of the day. And then now I'm just finally eating. This is just some vegan pizza, shishito peppers. So I will try and eat at least 3 meals, as you can see, but I only filmed one of them, and then I will spend the rest of the night editing a video if I ended up filming that day. So that is my working from home routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!